我受够了 I've had enough or I'm sick of it. Here, 受 means to endure or to suffer, including both mental and physical suffering. 够 means enough. This character can be broken down into 句 and 多, where 多 means much or a lot. So together, 我受够了 expresses that you have endured enough suffering and no longer want to continue suffering it. This phrase is very common in spoken language. You can use it to complain about the burden or frustration of life. For example, 我受够了，我想离职 I'm sick of it. I want to quit my job. You can also use it to warn someone. For example, 我受够了，不要再做这种事了 I've had enough, and don't do this again. You can also use it to directly announce your decision. For example, 我受够了，我不干了 I'm done, I'm out. In summary, when your patience has reached this limit and you can no longer tolerate the current environment or current people, you can say, 我受够了 I've had enough.